Out of all the questions they could possibly give you on the paper, I always think these ones are the worst. So, Mr. Page uses oil to heat his home. At the beginning of November, there were 1,000 litres of oil in his oil tank. He bought enough oil to fill the tank completely, and he paid 50 pence per litre for this oil. He paid a total amount of 750. Well, I'm just going to stop there a second and just work out how much oil he bought. So if he paid £750 overall, and we're going to divide that not by 50p because we need this in pounds as well. We're going to divide that by 0.5, and that's going to tell us how much oil he bought altogether. So if we did 750 divided by 0.5, that's 1,500 litres that he bought. Now, don't forget he already had 1,000 litres in there. So a full tank is going to hold 2,500 litres. And I'm just going to make a note of that that's a full tank. And I haven't even read the rest of the question. At the end of February, Mr. Page had 600 litres of oil in the tank. So if he's got 600 litres left, we're going to work out how much he's used. So 2,500 is how much was in there. And he's got 600 left. So let's find the difference. 2,500 take away 600 is 1,900, and that's how much he's used. At the end of February, Mr. Page has 600 litres of oil left in the tank. He bought enough oil to fill the tank completely. Now we know that a full tank is 2,500, and he has already used 1,900 because all he's got left in there is 600. He bought enough oil to fill the tank completely. Work out how much he paid for the oil in February. Okay, so he's used 1,900 and he needs to get that back again because he needs to fill the tank up. So again, I'm just going to write little notes to myself in the examiner. He needs 1,900 litres of oil. Okay, now what it says up here is the cost of oil has increased by 4%. So if it was 50 pence, which is 0.5 pounds, and that's increased by 4%. Now our multiplier for 4%, because it's increased, it's going to be 1 point something. It's not going to be 1.4, so it's 1.04. And this is going to tell us the cost, or the new cost, of the oil. So 0.5 times by 1.04 is 0.52. So that is cost per litre after it has increased. And you can see that what I'm doing here is showing whoever's marking this exactly what I've done. Okay, now the final part of this, if it's he pays 52 pence per litre and he needs 1,900, we're going to do 1,900 times by 0.52, 52 pence, and that equals 1,900 times by 0.52, and that equals £988. £988. Is it down there? There we go.